Guys, welcome back to today's video. I am using the Après nail tips. These are the square long. I'm using some Beetles nail glue and applying these nail tips. Once I am all done applying the nail tips, I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. And here are the nails on. This is a very great application base, so let's get started with our nail art. I'm going in with some base coat. Once I am all done applying the base coat, I am going to cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. I am going in with my favorite nude base right now. This is the jelly color from Melody Susie. For this look, I'm going in with one coat on each of the nails, and then again I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Once we're all done with that, I am going to go in with this Sun UV white color, and I am just going to draw all the Frenchies. First, I'm taking my liner brush, mark of where I want the French to be. I actually have never done this type of French before. It's giving a little bit like Y2K French-ish type of French, but I'm mapping out where I want the French to begin with my liner brush first, and then I'm going to go in with the bottle brush and just fill in the rest. Once I'm all done, I'm going to cure for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with this Beetles color. This is a gray color, super cute. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw out the star on the pointer finger. These jaws are tricky, so definitely have to redo the star about 3 times. The first time I kind of drew the star a little bit too big. The second time I think it looked good, but I was doubting myself, so I redid it. And then like the third or fourth attempt is where I just said, hey, you know what? We're just going to go with this. Star still came out good and still came out cute. Make sure to cure that design before you do anything else. Then I'm going to go in with this rhinestone glue, and we are going to apply the gems to the middle nail. I decided to go for pink gems for this look. I went in with some big pink gems and some small pink gems as well. If you guys ever want to know like where I get my items from, all of my items are pretty much from Amazon, and I do have 2 videos up of Amazon hauls, so any products that I'm using in any of my videos are in that video. Now I'm going to go in with that same gray color and start the lines for the pinky nail, but I'm just taking my liner brush and I am making the lines of where I want the lines to end and begin. Once I have my first line done, I am going to go ahead and cure that, and then we'll do the second line. I'm using this one from Mahi's, I think that's how you pronounce it, but this one is from Amazon as well. I'm just rolling a small amount into a long line, but it still needs to have a pretty good thickness to it, so you don't want it to be thin. And then once I have the thickness that I want, I'm going to go ahead and place that onto the nail. Something that I didn't show in this video is that I did put some matte top coat on the nail, because for some reason when I apply 3D gel, they don't stick if it's just like a shiny base. And I guess that kind of makes sense if you think about it. So I always just put a matte top coat on first and then apply the 3D gel. So comment down below if it's something that I may be doing wrong, or if this is something that happens to you guys as well. But like I said, I'm just placing down that 3D gel. I did go in with my silicone tool and just cut off the edges that didn't need to be there. And once I finished that, I went ahead and cured that. So I did go ahead and paint both of those 3D gel lines that we did with white. Now I'm going to go in with this pink color from Goy. We're going to do the same lines as the gray and do the same thing on this thumbnail, but just in pink. And once that's all done and cured, we're going to go in with this Sun UV top coat. This is pretty different because the top coat that I usually use is the Goy top coat, but I switched it up today. I did go in with this Sun UV top coat and I really like it. But yes, I'm just going to go ahead and top coat all of the nails. And then once we're all done top coating, we're going to put it in the big lamp for a full 60 seconds. And once we're all done with that, I am going to go in with my cuticle oil. This one is from Melody Susie. I use this every time I do my nails, so basically every day. And once I'm all done rubbing that in, as you can see, here are the nails finished. They came out super cute. It's a very different look. It's giving Y2K, it's giving clean. I really enjoyed doing this set. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to leave a like or a comment, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!